In this video, I'll be showing you how the Greg's app works. So starting from the home page, you will see a reward section. The reward section is basically when you buy one of these thingies, you scan it as you buy it, and then it will be inputted onto your app. And once you've brought 7 or 8 or 9 of these different products, you will get one for free, as long as you scan them and keep it updated on your app. And down here, you see click and collect, our menu. You can find a shop local to you, and you can also get gift cards. Also get Greg's delivery, which is very handy. On collect, here it gives us an option to pick a store close to us. If you press collect, we can select a time slot and order our food in advance, which is very handy. For example, today, if I wanted to get some food, I can choose the time, confirm my slot, and add anything that I wanted onto that. And then as long as I'm there at the store at that time slot that I selected, then I will receive that item. Make sure you scan and reap all the benefits of your rewards that you can get. Rewards here. So yeah, this is what you scan when you buy something to allow you to keep track of what you brought so you can get free items. Also, you can top up your balance here and pay in store, which is very handy. Then you have a wallet here. You can add information regarding your payment methods and etc. And then more we have similar to what we have before, just some options, help support, etc. Account options, order receipts. Click and collect allows you to jump the queue. So you pick a time slot, you go there, and it doesn't matter how big the queue is, you will not have to wait in it, and you will receive your item as if you have already paid for it. On your birthday, you also get a treat, which is very nice. And yeah, that is about it. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.